Sabi nila, every journey begins with a single step. So I stepped out in my comfort zone and stepped into the world of hiking. Hi fellas, it's me again, Jessa. Not a pro, but a believer. Come with me as I take my first step into the world of hiking. No experience, no fancy gear, just curiosity, a little courage, and the desire to breathe somewhere that isn't my bedroom. Wait nga, ayoko na mag-English. Bago tayo magbida-bidang mag-hiking, syempre we have to condition first ourselves before hiking. Paano i-condition ng sarili? Syempre we have to prepare our mental and emotional aspect, especially our physical aspect. Kaya the first thing to do is magkaroon tayo ng warm-up exercise. In this journey, hindi lang dapat lakas ng katawan ng baon mo, kundi lakas ng loob. Kasi I believe na you will not achieve what you want if you are not determined to do it. Ako kasi yung tipo ng tao na kapag may gusto akong gawin, as much as I can, gagawin ko. Yung bang tipong healing your inner child? Pero bago tayo magpatuloy sa hiking natin, bakit nga ba ako napunta dito? Ano nga ba yung rason bakit ako nag-hiking? Well, napakasimple lang. It's just gusto ko. Gusto ko lang maranasan. Gusto kong ma-experience. Kasi naniniwala ako na habang bata pa tayo, na malalakas pa yung tuhod natin, gawin na natin yung alam nating hindi na natin magagawa pag tumanda na tayo. Yung bang sulitin na natin habang bata tayo. Diba? Uy, mag-hiking na yan. Someone else's game. Too long for second guessing. O diba, kumanta pa nga. As I walk on this trail, na-realize ko na napakaganda pala talaga ng bundok dito. Nakikita mo sa harap mo yung yamang likas na bilang isang Pilipino, kailangan nating protektahan to. Hindi mo rin talaga maikakaila na as you walk on this trail, mararamdaman mo talaga yung pagod at hingal mo. Kasi wala namang madali sa umpisa, diba? Ganyan ang experience ko sa Mount Ulap. Mahirap sa umpisa, mapapawi naman lahat ng pagod mo kapag nasa peak ka na. Wait, hindi pa yan yung peak ah. Meron ding realization na mapapaisip ka, bakit ko ba to ginagawa? Imbis na nagpapahinga ako sa kama ko eh. Well, eme lang yun syempre no. Habang nag-hiking ako, I really love what I am doing. And na-enjoy ko lang yung scenery, yung lamig, yung experience, and I really love it. O diba, hingal na hingal. Sabi din nila kapag first timer ka, begin with Mount Ulap. Pero bakit ganun? Para siyang hindi pang beginner eh. Habang naglalakad ako, I realized na hiking is not just about reaching the top. It's also about enjoying every moment. The trees, the birds, the wind, at yung sense of freedom na ramdam mo. Nakaka-relax siya, pero at the same time, nakaka-challenge rin. Like, minsan medyo steep ang trail, kailangan focus ka lang talaga sa bawat hakbang. Sabi din nila, you can't appreciate sunshine without a little rain. O diba, literal na umulan. Okay, confession time. Medyo nahirapan ako sa part na ito kasi parang pababa siya and my legs are getting tired. Pero alam ninyo, every small struggle na ito makes you feel stronger and more accomplished. Kaya wag kayong matakot sa challenges, it's all part of the fun. So that was my first step into hiking. I'm super thankful na nakasama ko kayo sa journey na ito. I learned na hiking is not just about destination but about the journey. The little moments, the challenges, at yung excitement na nadarama mo bawat hakbang. Kaya as a first time hiker, i-rate ko tong journey ko sa Mount Ulap ng 9 out of 10. Kasi hindi ko naramdaman yung pagod ko nung nakita ko na yung summit niya. Sobrang kalmado lang at very relaxing. I hope na na-inspire ko kayo to try something new. Kahit na first timer pa lang ako. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. And this is just the beginning of my hiking adventures. Thank you for coming with me today and see you sa next adventure. Bye!